Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa today is going to make a yin choy tong. Yin choy tong is a very famous dishes if you come to Kuala Lumpur, especially at the restaurant. So yin choy, this is the one. Melayu they call it bayam. English few names. The actual name is actually called amaranth greens or amaranth red. Some of it is actually reddish in color. Okay, most of the time I actually just call it. Many people locally call it Chinese spinach. Right, so it's a Chinese spinach soup. I remember one of my earlier videos, 2-3 years ago, has actually achieved over 1 million views for this particular dish. So I'm making a new one for you today. So I bought some yin choy from amaranth green from the local wet market yesterday morning. And let's look at a very simple ingredient. Basically, if you have a chicken stock or any kind of broth, you can cook this even faster. If you don't, then we can immediately make a broth using some hot water and this. This is actually a tea bag, but inside the tea bag is actually full of anchovies. Anchovies, yeah? So make use of the anchovies to actually make a anchovies broth. If not, if you have a stock, just straight away use the stock. Then what you need to put into the soup is 2-3 pieces of old ginger, 2 cloves of garlic. This is called century egg. This is salted egg. Now, some people haven't seen these 2 eggs before. Let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so the one in black color is actually covered by ashes. This is usually the the salted egg. And you can actually find chicken salted egg or duck salted egg. So this is actually the one I'm using today. I think is both duck. And this is the pitan. So usually when you buy, after you bought the salted egg bag, you will need to remove the ashes, black ashes outside, wash it, then it is usually raw. So I will normally cook it under boiling water for about 10 minutes. Then I will remove the shell. So you will get something like this. Whereas the pitan, the century egg, is usually cooked, and it is actually half transparent like this. All you need to do is just to remove the outside and also the shell, then you will get something like this. And later we are going to cut these 2 into smaller pieces and put inside the soup. Also, you're looking at a few pieces of goji berries, which I will add in towards the end. This is a very simple soup, but it's a very hearty soup and flavorful soup for your family. So first thing we do, add in about 1 liter of 1 to 1.5 liter of water here. I use hot water, filtered hot water. Then we put in the tea bag, with the anchovies inside, ikan bilis. The thing about few things about ikan bilis here, if you are using the one with head, remove the head and remove the black color thing in between. So this is actually already clean ones. Put it inside. Oh, by the way, tea bag I actually bought it from Daiso. The garlic, the ginger. So I'm going to bring this to a boil, then let it boil for approximately 10 minutes before we continue. Why the 10 minutes? It is to really bring out the fragrance and the aroma and the flavor from the ikan bilis itself. So as you can see from here, I have sliced up the half of the pitan and also half of a century egg and also half of the salted egg, to smaller pieces. And I will be using half only. This is the other half, right? So the other half, I will be keeping it for tomorrow to steam egg. It is going to be another very delicious dish. So this is after about 10 minutes. You don't need it to cook for too long because your soup can become a bit fishy. Yeah. So take out. You can actually take out the ikan bilis. And one thing I'm going to add here, it is actually optional. I got some saltfish powder, homemade. So I'm going to put in about 1 teaspoon of saltfish powder here. The salted egg and the pitan and the century egg. Yeah? The century egg will almost act like a natural MSG to your dish. Wow, the saltfish powder is very fragrant. So now we're going to put in the amaranth greens. Actually, in the restaurant, this dish is not an extremely soupy dish. The rest of the amaranth green, I will actually leave it for stir frying tomorrow. Right, once the amaranth green is softened, it's basically almost done. Very fast, this dish, and very simple. Now what we want to do here is to give it some adjust to taste using salt and also sugar. Let me zoom in a bit for you. So I'm going to give it just a little bit of salt. I will put in my favorite fish sauce a little bit. Yep, from Vietnam. Whatever sauce that I'm using, I'll put it in the description box so you can actually see. And then few dashes of white pepper. Not forgetting the goji berry. Okay, done. Our yin choy tong, done. Very simple, isn't it? But I'm telling you, it is very, very flavorful. So let me dish it out. Alright, so here's my very simple yin choy tong. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.